Well, his guy, I think he should just stand up with his guy. He's got good stand up. Try to stand up out. He's got good ground too, so do a stand up, and if it goes, submit him. So I think he's prepared. He works hard.
So he's prepared.
Yeah, he's got good.
And can you predict today's fight?
First round submission. Round submission. I don't know too much about him. He's a wrestler. He met him last night. He's kind of short, probably about 5'5". I think he'll do all right. Excited? Yeah, I'm excited about all these guys fighting. We have 7 guys fighting for it.
All right.
Should be good.
He's gonna do pretty well. Either way the fight goes, he's pretty damn strong.
Yep.
If it goes on the ground, he knows what to do, and striking, he's no chump either.
Oh my goodness.
We think it's about to be a good-ass show because we got like a hell of a lot of dragons in here.
Exactly.
And we looking to tap some people out, knock some people out, and have the crowd go wild.
Are you excited about your fight?
I am interested to see the outcome.
We can
see how
man.
fast it's going to be.
Exactly.
All right, thank you.
It's your fight.
Right.
Take care, man. Yep.
We're just going to go out there and we're going to take it.
All right.
This fight I'm fighting today, I'm going to go in there and just fight hard.
Can you predict?
I'm predicting to win it. He's from your team.
He's my friend.
Oh, it's going to be a good fight.
All right. Take care, man.
All right, fighting
out of the red corner. This fighter weighs in at 143 pounds. Introducing the Nomad, Yancy. And now fighting out of the blue corner. This fighter stands 5 feet 5 inches tall. He weighs in at 146 pounds. From Danville, Illinois, Lamar.
Фристайл. Did it come from? Kazakh. How it could happen.
Ladies and gentlemen, very first round.
Это видеокамера.
Просто я... It was vicious, man. He took him down, Beck was on bottom. The guy with hammer fisted him, Beck got him in a Kimura with his leg. Yeah,
Broke his arm, yeah.
It was vicious, man. Hello, Kazakhstan.
It's a pure Ouch. This is your teammate. It's your club. Sparking club. Один опять сыдрын. Посмел Ева пол сыдрны.
Good night for the later, right? Exactly, right?
By the way, congratulations with your win.
Біздің жігіттер, мені жігіттер, керемет жігіттер, мұна біз жігіттер.
We are doing heroes like massive. Okay. I'm sorry. Think about the breaking arm.
That was a good break.
It's a good break.
Perfect break.
It's your victory today. Congratulations.
Yeah,
your team
we did good.
was better today.
We did 4-1.
Jay, good job.
Thanks. We did 2 more wins. That's up in here.
Бүгін кіші алшақын туыс бауыр ағайын шын көңіліммен мен сіздерге айтамын қазіргінің жігіттері воу қолайын біздің жігіттерге жырдан аспалға тағайын таныс әлде бейтаныс па бәрібір үлкенге де кішіге де сый құрмет сәлем бір өз ана тілін қастерлеген ардақтап таныта білген бір сыры мен сегіз қыр қазағымның жігіттері